Hello everyone. In this short video, we are going to talk about the importance of writing tests and how it works as a safety net for us. Initially, I was planning to publish this video as a theory part first, but then I changed the strategy to show the practical part first, which we covered in the previous video, and then show the theory behind it. So let's get started. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about why do we need tests. And before answering that question, we need to understand what is the cost of not having tests. So one of the biggest costs of not having tests is that whenever we try to make a change, we are afraid to make a change in our code base. Does it happen to you that you are trying to make a change in a code base in somewhere of your part and it breaks the code somewhere far away? Similar to like this, that when you are trying to do a small function or a string change, it's break all of your system. Or if you and your colleague are working on a system, then one of your colleague changes break your changes and vice versa. So you are just fixing each other code. The reason why this happens is because you don't have a test. So there is no way to verify the behavior that you are making changes to. So the test work as a safety net for us, which is basically whenever we are trying to make a change in our code base, the test makes sure that we are not breaking anything and we are preserving the existing behavior. So by preserving the existing behavior, we reduce the cost by making sure that whatever changes happen in our system, they are safe and we don't break the existing code, so we don't have to spend time fixing existing system. But here is the problem. In a legacy code, you don't have any test, so you can't change a code because you don't have a test for it, and you don't know how to write a test because there is no test to learn from. So it's basically kind of a catch-22 situation, and we can solve this by many different methods. And if you try to write a test, there are a lot of type of testing out there, which will make a lot of confusion for us. And you might be thinking here that I don't want to understand all that, just tell me how to write test. So in the next video, we are going to focus more on a practice, basically figuring out a way to just write a test and make sure it passes. And then as we move on to that, we'll just cover the theory part of it, how it works and what should be the best practice and what should be not. In the legacy code, when we want to write a test, we always start small. So we'll start with a small bug fixes or small feature to be added in the existing code base, which will allow us to understand the system better and how we can write test more easily. This will also allow us to set up our base code for setting up our test. So we'll start with the practicing part more. We'll just try to write a code and see our test passes. And then while doing that, we'll cover the theory part. That's it. And thank you. So if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.